Good morning, everyone. I'm going to quickly go through this packet and a couple announcements with you, just so you know what's going on this week. Remember, these packets are sitting outside the church on Lime Street in a pickup box for you to grab and do your Sunday, Wednesday, and family devotions every week. Okay, the first part of the packet has these flyers for VBS. VBS is happening in 1 week. The special event that's going on is our Drive-Thru Family Fun event, which is August 8th, this coming Saturday from 12 to 2. That's when you're going to pick up all the supplies for VBS, your Go kits. They have crafts and snacks. And we decided to make it fun for you to come pick up those kits. So when you drive through the parking lot, not only are we going to have a kit for you, but we'll have some water games, a dunk tank, a place for you to take photos from your car. So this is going to be a fun and safe pickup day for you to get ready for VBS. I've included in the packet 2 flyers so that you can share with a friend. And it has all the information about VBS on the back and also the link to register, ccnlb.com/connect. All right, the other announcements I have for you this week are your Sunday morning flip grid. So your flip grid is about Jonah and the worm, which was our Wednesday Bible Hangout. If you came, you got these red rinds and gummy worms. If you didn't get them, you can still earn them by doing your Sunday morning flip grid. Click the link that's down below or in the email and show us what you learned. There's a video for you to watch. The rest of you can also do the flip grid. You already got your gummy worms and we had a lot of fun. So we want to see those worms and your packets, your coloring, whatever you learned from the lesson on Wednesday, okay? The Sunday morning videos are there and your packet helps you. So this page right here is a note-taking page for your Go Minnow worksheet. This week, for your Go Minnow video. This week, we also have a new Wednesday blueprints lesson that's going to be taught by one of our parents, Brandon's mom, Miss Valerie. So we have this here, you'll see it says Wednesday. This is our story. And there's crafts and activities, a coloring sheet, a bingo game, a feelings catcher is in here. So make sure to watch the blueprints video with your family this week sometime before Wednesday. That link is down below. We also have family devotions that go along with our Go Minnow. One is the story of Moses in the bush in color, beautiful copy from the Learn and Grow Bible. The next one is a coloring sheet of called Let My People Go. And it's still another Bible story family devotion. It has questions that you can talk about and a suggestion for something to pray. It's in the packet also, but the second story I didn't print in color, I printed black and white so that some of you who like to color can color that story. All right, that's it. It's a new month already, August. Remember, VBS happens August 10th through 12th. And if you're not registered, please register today. We will see you next Saturday at our family fun event. All right, bye-bye.